All right, guys. So concerning the Gram airdrop that a lot of us are currently participating on, there are a lot of new updates which I think you guys needs to be very much aware of as regards this particular project called Gram airdrop. Okay, so it is very easy, and I'm going to be walking you guys through it right now. The first thing which I need you guys to note right here is the date for the listing of their token. According to the project, they say that their listing date is only 20% away from completion. So over here, this is where they made the announcement saying that the Gram airdrop claim is already 80%, meaning that within just a few couple of weeks we are going to be having the Gram airdrop claiming process. All right, so it is all very easy. So if you haven't started mining Gram airdrop, there's going to be a link right there on the video description box for you to get started with. And now the most important thing which I need you to note right here is the staking feature. When you come over here to staking, let me show you what we have here right now. So this is the staking feature which is coming very soon. Now, what are they trying to achieve with this? Personally, I do not know, but this is just the latest update which I'm seeing so far. And from here, according to what they said right here, according to the project, they say that the Gram token gets locked and you earn real USDT reward directly. This pool will open right after the listing is complete. So they are trying to let us know that when the listing of this token goes live, there is going to be staking taking place, meaning that you have to lock what you have mined so far. So currently on my balance, I've got 221 gram, and when the listing goes live, this staking feature also is going to be going live. And when this staking feature goes live, you can choose to lock your token and earn real USDT as a reward. And looking down right here, I think there are a lot of things right here. For example, the first one is the bronze level, which allows you to lock for 7 days and you earn 0.429% every single day. And of course right here, I think on a total you are going to be earning 3%. And the minimum you can stake, which is the Gram token, minimum you can stake is 1,000 Gram token, maximum 20,000. And we have the silver, which is minimum 2,000, maximum 100,000. And we finally have the gold, which is minimum 5,000 and maximum 500,000 Gram token. And of course, you can see right here, I think people are taking slots right here. I'm seeing slots left 1:1. I think I don't really understand this yet, but according to the project, this is the latest update as regards the airdrop. Okay, so what are we now looking up for? We are looking up waiting for when the token goes live. But from my experience so far, when a token listing takes place, especially airdrop, when an airdrop gets listed, it is most recommended to actually sell off immediately, because at the end of the day, people who stake or people that lock up their token end up getting the least, because those tokens will keep on depreciating in value. So I'm not trying to tell you what to do with your own airdrop. I'm trying to tell you my experience so far as regards airdrop and this staking of a thing or locking of a thing. So personally, once this airdrop goes live, provided that I can be able to sell my token, I'm selling immediately, as simple as that. So this airdrop right here, I've gotten about 74 referral right here. And remember what I said, if you care to use my referral link, there's going to be a referral link right there on the video description box and also right there on the comment section. Okay, so this is the latest update right now. The airdrop is coming very soon, and also we are going to be having the staking feature. Remember, as soon as this project announce their token listing, I'm going to be the first to announce it to you guys. All right, so thank you for watching the video. I'll be stopping here right now, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next update that I'll be sharing with you guys very soon.